Oh my goodness, what just happened here? Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. Yeah, what just happened here? I've been busy as a bee and I didn't even film any of it, didn't think anything about it. But all my green stalks, or not all of them, that one down there with the strawberries is probably staying here for right now. But this other green stalk that was on the other end had a few flowers and stuff that had struggled and bloomed all winter long, and I thought it was awesome. And I was going to clean it out and take the thing over to the mini greenhouse over on the cabin hill, and I just couldn't do it, y'all. I could not get rid of those flowers. They were still producing little flowers, still looked good, even though they were a year old. They'd went through the winter, and y'all, look what I did. Let me show you. So I took all the flowers that were still surviving. I found them places in the greenhouse here. All right, this one right here is called a polka dot. It comes out white with a little reddish, pinkish red center. And you can see they're still green here. So I put it at the edge of the carrots because I know the carrots are coming out and we're going to redo something here, but this will be back at the edge. And then over here, this little, I don't even know what they're called, y'all. I'm not a flower person. I love flowers, but I don't know names. This one has survived. I put it here in the back again where I have all my room to plant once everything's out. I got those two back there. Now this one, you still see all the green? It's a Serenita purple. It's an Angelonia. Y'all, flowers are not my favorite thing to try to pronounce, but look at this, all the green here. And I put it next to my peppercorn, which is really doing great compared to the winter we've had. And here, this is another one, only it's the white. And I put it here, and you see this? Isn't these things beautiful? These things have just been wonderful all winter long, and I'm really, really surprised. Now on this end, I had two flower pots that's always been here, and I took the flowers out of them, and one of them was not doing real well, so I just kind of trashed it. The other one I planted right here. I put it down here. This thing blooms like crazy, and so we're going to see if it won't bloom in the corner instead of up in a flower pot. But I put these, I trimmed this one back really heavy, but you can see it's got all these little things coming out everywhere. So I'm hoping this pot will droop. That's what I'm looking for. In this one was all growing to one side because it was in the green stalk, and I just kind of laid some of them over here and laid some around, hoping that this one will droop all over the pot. So I have the same thing here as I have here. Now this one, look how pretty. It is doing awesome. And it says it's a Titan Lavender Blue Halo. It's pink to me. It's not blue. But anyway, it's beautiful. It's blooming. This is February the 19th or 20th. And y'all, I'm excited. And y'all, I don't think I could kill these things if I had to. Isn't that gorgeous? I think these are what you call Petunias. I don't know. What are these? I don't remember. I've had these flowers forever. Danny's previous wife, Debbie, before she passed away, had lots of flowers. And this was some of them. And they grow like crazy all over our yard. So I put some in here. And this thing just fills up and it goes all over the place. I trimmed it up some and it looks amazing. And the peppercorn. Oh, look at our fella. Smile, you're on camera. He eats bugs, so I'll leave him alone. Now the cold got a little of my leaves, but overall, my peppercorns did really good. I know they got a little burnt back. I still have a little bitty pods on some of them. Some of them are still going. Yeah, I know. You don't want me touching you, do you? So we still have peppercorn pods. I don't know if they'll ever do anything, but isn't that gorgeous? It survived. And this one was in there. It's Northern Lights Lavender. And you see, it had green. So I said, why am I buying plants? Because I thought about going and buying a bunch of plants when I still have life in these. And then I have all my mums. Look how pretty. Miss Slippy over at Gemini Homestead told me to chop them all back. And I chopped them all the way back. And look at them. One here. One here. And the cold got a little of it. But for the most part, look how pretty. And one here. Gardeners know all the dirt. And it is dirt, guys. Dirt, 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 dirt. It all depends on what you do with the dirt. Isn't that gorgeous? And I planted radishes in here from Shumway's. It is the Early Bird Garden Trial Pack Radish. It says it's crayon colors mix. So my radishes are coming up. You can see some right there. Some over here. We're going to see if we have radishes soon. So guys, that's what's happened in the greenhouse today. Wanda got busy. Wanda started clearing it up. And yes, I did that. And so, welcome to the Queendom. It's going to be a fun season. Y'all join me. I've got flowers everywhere in February, guys. It's awesome. See you later.